Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm sharing with you an office space that I had the pleasure of decorating for a client. So the color choice was a pale pink, blush, white, and gold. So beautiful together. A lot of the items I've hauled for you in a previous video, and as for the larger items, I will tell you where they came from or link them down below in the description box. But it turned out so pretty, and here is a before of the space. And this is what it looks like now. This artwork is the focal point of the room when you first walk in. It is a beautiful picture and it exudes all of the colors, and it also has a really nice shiny sheen that reflects off of the light, but it is definitely the statement piece behind the desk. I really loved all the details in this chair, how it just mixed the pinks and the golds together with the gold handle on the back as well as the gold legs. Was so pretty and so different. Underneath the desk, we used a white shag rug, which really gave a clean and airy feel to the space, and it is so soft and super plush. Because this space here was elongated, a long ottoman fit perfectly in that space, and this ottoman is gorgeous. It's tufted all around, it's white, and it's just so pretty in this little area right here with the pink curtains and the gold rod, which just really blends all of the colors together. And this beautiful desk already came with the gold handles. And of course, she can add her own personal family photos in the frames. And there's a standing gold lamp that sits in this corner. On setup day, I had some difficulties with it, but it is a two-part lamp that has a standing light as well as a reading light for this area. So I hope you all enjoyed this home office tour. I love the way that it turned out. It is so feminine and it's so chic and it's so girly and just glam and beautiful. She loves the space. I love the space. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And of course, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, Daisies.